Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video. And in today's video, we're going to take a look at Ethereum and see where it's heading. And yes, it looks like one or two of my ideas is in fact going to be played out on an Ethereum chart. So if you find that interesting, then please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Guys, so as we can see, this is on a daily chart. So it looked like for the past 2 days we actually made a movement to the upside to around about this area over here. Now if I was to draw my box or rectangle, should I say, from this area over here, then what we can see is we need to really break out of this area here first to remain bullish. Then we should be expecting something along the line of us making this move where we will bounce up, but then expecting a retrace to come back down into this area here. So going up to around about there, breaking maybe slightly above this wick over here before we do a slight retrace back into the area of interest. That will be the area that I could be looking for a possible trade for us to continue to go up till around about this range in this green box there. Okay, let me start again. 3, let me get one more. Three, two, one. Hello and welcome back to Crypto. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video. And in today's video, we're gonna dive into the Ethereum chart. And wow, it's looking like this could be playing out for me right now and for you guys that's watching this video. So if you find that interesting, then please sit back and relax and enjoy the video. 3, 2, 1. Right guys, so as we can see right now with Ethereum, it's looking like that we are most highly probability. Oh fucking hell. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Ethereum charts, and it's looking like that we are going to make that movement to the upside. So to find out more information and details on this particular trade and what you could do with the trade, 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into the Ethereum charts, and wow, it's looking like this could actually play out. So if you'd like to find out what hello and welcome back hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video. And in today's video, we're going to dive into the Ethereum charts, and boy, it's looking like it's about to play out the exact trade that I'm looking at. If not, there could be a one more leg movement to the downside before we pump away out this region over here. And if you find that interesting, hello and welcome back to Crypto Disco for another video. And in today's video, we're going to dive into the Ethereum charts, and yes, it's looking like it's playing out pretty much exactly as I spoke about in my last video on Ethereum. If you haven't seen that already, please just give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and then go into my channel, check my last Ethereum video, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, what I reckon is going to be playing out, and it's kind of heading to that direction. So without any further ado, please sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. 3, 2, 1. Right, so as we can see, we are currently moving on to the upside. Now, what I mentioned in my previous video was if we do break out from down there, that means we should be heading away back up to around about this region there. I've just created this rectangle area over here because that could be our next area of interest where we should be expecting a possible retracement. And what do I mean by that? If you look to the left, you can see like loads of candle wicks over here and across over here. Hence why I drew this rectangle green area as an important area on whether we do like a little pullback before we shoot our way up, because as we look in this area over here we see nothing but red, so that means there should be no holding us back to literally shoot our way back up into this area. Now if this trade was to play out and we do see a retracement, we could be looking at anywhere between, oh wow, look at that, about 28%, in your trade, just anywhere, within this area of interest. If you go right to the top of this area, we could be looking at 31% move, and that's some nice profit to be had there. So just imagine you could actually increase your portfolio by 30% just on this trade without any leveraging. If you like to leverage, please by your means you can leverage. Just make sure that when you leverage, don't leverage more than any like 3-4%, otherwise you're risking the exposure of getting your trade wiped out, because the higher you leverage, the closer your liquidation point it is to your trade. So you might want to keep that in the back of your mind. Otherwise, play it safe. I would say if you've got a large enough account, you don't need to do any more than 2-3-4%. If you're super confident in your trade because the setup is looking great, then fair enough, go for your 5, 6 and 7s. Just try not to do like 10x and whatnot. I've seen so many accounts being blown by doing that, and I used to be one of them. Hence why things got a lot better when you're able to control the leverage and risk management, which is even more important. But anyway, let me not digress. So this is going to be my bullish case scenario, that we do come up, we retest around about this area, and we go back up again. However, if you are still in a trade and you've entered there, then yeah, you could be in a tree of some massive trades. Look at that, that's like already 51%, and slightly above there it's like 54%. Just 2x that's already 108%. Now that's like easily 100% of your money back, just trading that. Right, so that's the bullish case scenario. Now in a super bullish case scenario, what if we do break out of this area, we retrace back into this area of interest, because we see like a lot of supply and demand in this zone here. Once we do reach up to this area, who's to say that we're just going to stop here? What if we do this? We go up, we break out this area, we pull back right into the zone of supply right here, and then we shoot away back up to the next level, which would be approximately 1,947, or just above $2,000. Now, what sort of percentage would you be looking to get if you were here and it blasted its way out from here, and then it went somewhere within over here? That's about 55% from here, and then is that about 60? Let's round up to 60% there. So yeah, that's some nice profits to be had. However, us as traders, we are very, reacting, hopefully, and not predicting. I always wait for confirmation. These are my confirmations, of course. Now, as well as bullish, we have to consider the bearish scenario as well. What if we don't come up and retrace there to shoot our way up? What could happen is we could actually still do this. If I was to grab a hold of that, we could still use this area here as a resistance, and if it remains as resistance, we could find a way back down into this area to retest the zone. Now this is quite important zone actually, because if you can't hold the zone and then we make our way back down, then we should be expecting a retrace back into the green zone here, like so, before we make our way back down again into this red rectangle area, and that is approximately between $961 to $900. Now, if you're a hodler, you want to be picking up a lot more bags of Ethereum in that case, because the more it dips, the more you want to increase the size of your Ethereum bags. Now, however, if you're a trader, you need to be keeping an eye on this, because if we do break down below here, that is still, you can still trade this to go down. You don't have to lose money or keep hold of your trade if you know you're in a losing trade, because we could profit going up or down. So in my bearish case scenario is if we do break down at this area, I should be expecting a retracement back over here. Now that will be the area that I'll be looking to trade. Anywhere within this wick and the body over here would be the perfect area for me to enter in a short, where it will come back down over here. Now, what sort of percentage would we be looking at? From even from the wick till about here, that's like 18% there. Well, yeah, let's say about 18% there to the bottom of that red area. If we do break down further, come back up to retrace in a red zone, only for us to make our way back down to this green zone over here, that's about 38, that's about 40% there easily. The problem with that is like 50, 52%, 53%. I'm going to obviously always do my 2.5 leverage trade with my small account and try to grow my $192 to a grand. So if you'd like to follow my journey, please give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications to be notified of all of my technical analysis and my view on the charts. So if you do like this video, please subscribe and share all the information and content that I'm sharing with you lot on YouTube to all your friends and everyone else who's interested. So until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.